Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's hair care. So guys, today is actually a really different kind of video. It's not a hair care video today. Today is a nail care video.
Falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel
You guys been asking me about my nails forever. You guys been asking me for nails tips, all those telling me how much you guys love my nails. You guys been admiring my nails a lot, and I finally get a chance to give you guys some nail care tips. Okay, so today I'm gonna go get my nails done right now. I'm gonna acrylic my natural nails. So this is my nails, and this is like about 3 months nail growth. So this is it. So all my nails are the same, particularly the same length. So both 10 fingers are pretty long, and this is about 3 months of nail growth. All right, so today I'm going to go get my nails done. She's gonna give me like a nice acrylic. First we're gonna acrylic them. First of all, my nails are very thick, guys. Like, it's really hard to break. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like really hard to break, so it can't even bend. See that? I'm putting so much pressure on this right now, and it's not bending. As you can see right at the top right here, it becomes white because all the pressure I'm putting on it to try to bend it. It's not bending because it's really strong. Okay, so it's very thick and it goes really fast. I'm gonna give you guys some nail care tips while I'm getting my nails done, because I know a lot of people are trying to get their nails done. Is either their nails are not growing or their nails are too thin, so it's breaking off. So there's so much you can do to help with the health of your nails, like to get your nails to be thicker, to get your nails to grow faster. And I'm gonna give you guys some tips while I get my nails done. I have this cute style I'll show you guys at the side that I want to get my nails done in, and she's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna show you guys or you can find this place. She's so good, guys. This nail tech is really good. She's so talented. She's so good with my nails, so I trust her to, you know, acrylic my nails and get my nails on fleek. So I'm gonna get my nails done, and I'm gonna get my toes. I'm gonna get my nails done, and I'm gonna get a pedicure as well. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I can't believe I'm doing a nail video. Like, I've never thought of doing a nail video. I just didn't really know people were interested into nails like that, because I posted this picture. I posted a video when I did my aloe vera growth oil, and everybody was just talking about my nails. You guys just going non-stop about my nails, and in every video after that, you guys just talking about my nails. And if I cut my nails right now, say I cut my nails right now, in 3 months time it will be long like this again. Okay, and there's like, I'm gonna give you guys all the tea. Okay, so you can have your natural nail looking like this, or even better than mine. Okay, so stay tuned for all the nail care tips, and you guys watch me get my nails done. All right, so to find this nail tech, it's on Bottom Road in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So right in front of the Jerk Center Rehab. If you live in Montego Bay, you know where Rehab is. So she's behind the Rehab. So when you come here, it's upstairs, behind Rehab, upstairs. So there she is. There's the little banner right there. Oh, sorry. So you're just gonna go up the steps, and then she's right there. And you get like a nice view, like an ocean view.
Hi, I'm Shanice, and this is DSK Beauty. Welcome.
If you're looking for a clean, comfortable, and private nail salon, check them out, guys. They offer a variety of services like massages, facials, body waxing, mani and pedi, and of course, acrylic nails. You can find them on Instagram at DSK_beauty. Check them out and make sure you book your appointment, guys, and let them know Tamara sent you and use my discount code at TAMARA'S5. If you're there and you get hungry, don't worry, guys. They have a snack bar with variety of snacks and treats and juices you guys can enjoy while there. Okay, so this is the style that I show her that I want. Is very cute, very natural, and I just want to go for this really cute natural look. This is my nails before, so you guys can see the end result. We're not adding any fake nails or extend my natural nails with acrylic either. We're just going to work with what we have, the natural length that we currently have. Okay, so as promised that I will give you guys a few nail care tips. Let's jump right into it. And before we get started with the tips, guys, these are tips that I personally follow for years that helped me a lot on my nail care journey. And if you're not doing it already, you should start doing it. And trust me when I tell you, you will see a big difference in the appearance and the health of your nails. The first tip is never pick or bite your nails. I know a lot of people that tends to bite their nails when they're nervous or when they're bored, or there are many reasons why people bite their nails when they're stressed or all those kind of reasons. Number one thing, do not bite your nails, do not pick your nails, because you will never see any growth in your nails if you continue to damage your nail by biting it and picking on it. The next tip is always have a nail file close by. You know when you're growing your nails and sometimes it has a little tear at the top, you have to make sure you buff that out so there's nothing to itch on your nail to tear it even further. So you have to make sure every time you have a little tear, you buff it out, make it smooth so there's nothing that your nail itching on to cause any more tearing or further damage. This is a big one, guys, and a lot of people are guilty of it. Never use your nail as an opener, meaning do not use your nail to open the Red Bull can, any can at all, the container, bottles. Use the side of your finger, and if that can't open it, get something else to open it. Do not put that pressure on your nails. This is a big one as well. Do not use your nail to remove or scratch anything other than your body. For example, there is something itch on the countertop, you use your nail to dig it off. There is something on your clothes, on a surface, wherever, you use your nail to kind of dig it off to, remove it faster. Do not do that, okay? We're going to damage your nails like that. The next tip is keep your nails clean and tidy at all times, meaning make sure you get a manicure. And you don't need to go to the salon to do a manicure. You can do it yourself. Make sure there's no tear or anything on your nails. Make sure you're always filing your nails to remove any little tear on your nails that you can itch and tug on anything. Just keep your nails super clean. The next tip is, guys, which a lot of people may look over, and that's avoid using harsh chemical on your nails, like the cleaning products. Use a gloves, the bleach, the detergent, the fabric softener, the Lysol. Make sure you use the gloves when you're cleaning, okay? Those chemicals can really damage your nails and also change the color of your nails. So your nails can be like really thin and dark and just weak and will not grow or just break off because the chemical damaged the nails. And the final tip I'm going to give in this video is use a natural nail growth oil. I do a DIY one that I use personally, and it has helped my nails a lot. Let me know if you guys would like me to show you guys how I make my DIY nail oil. I have a lot more nail care tips that I follow. Let me know if you guys are interested in more nail care tips. But anyway, guys, this is the end result. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. It's so natural. She does a great job. Thank you so much. I love them. Next, we're going to move on to the pedicure. I'm so excited for this one because look at my toes. They are a big mess. The last time I did my toes, she did it, and that was like a few months ago. She always used the gel polish, so it lasts a while, but look at them, guys. Now I'm just soaking my foot in warm water and I'm just playing with the stone. This is so comfortable, so relaxing. I must add, she gives the best pedicure. Okay, she cleaned my toes up so good. When I tell you, look how long my toenails are. I said, you know, remove them all because my toenails grow so fast. I just don't want anything to do with them. So I always tell her, just remove everything. Okay. And it's a gel polish, so she has to remove it like this. But when I tell you guys, she take the time, the patience to make sure my toes are squeaky clean, and I just always satisfied with the result. Listen, my toenails look brand new again. Just came out of the plastic. Okay, look how clean my toenails are. I'm just so in love. But now she's gonna work on my foot bottom. Guys, this lady take off some stuff off my foot bottom. I was like, no, that's not my feet. My feet doesn't have all those yucky, nasty, disgusting looking things on it. And she is so good. I'm telling you, she's so good. Look at that, guys. That's disgusting. That's so disgusting. But anyways, she makes sure it's super soft, and at the end, guys, she gave me like a nice scrub, like a foot scrub, as well as she moisturize your foot after you get the foot scrub. Then she wash it, she moisturize it. She also give you a foot massage. Like, I was so comfortable, you know, like this is actually like a really good relaxing day for me. I really did enjoy it, and the results were amazing, and I just had like a really great relaxing time. Look at that. It's disgusting. Ew. But anyways, my girls fix me well. Okay, when I done, my foot feels so soft, so clean, so pretty, and so relaxing. Okay, so if you guys are in Jamaica, this is where you need to start going to get your manicure, your pedicure, and all the other services that she offers, because I'm telling you, this lady take pride into her work, and she's super detailed and super neat. Like, look at my toes. I always do white toes, as a matter of fact. Like, something about white toes, like, it's so classy, it's so nice. Let me know, do you guys do white? What color polish do you put on your toes when you go get your toes done? I always do white. Let me know what color you do, or what color is your favorite to do. But it's always white for me. It's never any other color but white. Like, white is just so classy, so it just goes with everything, you know. But to each is their own, right? Anyway, guys, show your girls some support by liking this video. And if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more hair care and nail care videos. Share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. And please don't forget to turn your notification bell on so YouTube can notify you whenever I drop a new video. Guys, remember to write down those nail care tips that I gave you guys, because if you follow those simple tips, I know it sounds simple, but if you follow them, you will definitely see a difference in the appearance and the health and thickness of your nails. But anyway, guys, this is the end result of my toes. Oh my god, I'm in love. Guys, I am all done. Look at my nails. It is so cute. This is so natural and so nice. Can you guys see that? You guys see how cute this is? Oh my god. This is super cute. I love it. Thanks to the nail tech.
Thank you so much for coming. Bye.
So make sure you guys come and check out DSK Beauty Bar. And if you're traveling to Jamaica in Montego Bay, we have discount for everybody. So make sure you guys come and check it out. And you get an ocean view too. You can't find anything better than that. So thank you so much. Bye. Bye, guys.
Thank you so much for
Say bye to my
coming.
people.
Bye.